Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here. I hope you're having a great day. Now, the other day, we saw crypto kind of bounce back a little bit, and I told people in my video, don't get overexcited. We're probably going to drop again a couple more times before we start to recover, truly recover. It was a quasi dead cat bounce, if you will. And, some people were angry with me, but I told them the truth. I said, look, I'm very bullish. I'm still very bullish for 2018. There's a lot of great things happening in the markets and the crypto markets for 2018. But I said, just because something goes up for one day, don't start with speculation. Oh, it's the recovery. I said, no, we're going to be at where we're at for at least a few more weeks. Now, what I did want to say was this. After those few weeks are up, it might take a little bit longer. It might take up to a few months, and here's why. There was a lot of speculation. We could just go over to Bitcoin, and I'm talking about crypto as a whole. I'm not talking about just Bitcoin, but for this example, we're using Bitcoin, okay? All of this was speculative money. All this parabolic run-up over here was speculative money. This was real growth, okay? So this circle was the real growth we saw in Bitcoin. This was all speculation. So this was people realizing the potential of blockchain technology. And again, I could go over each and every individual cryptocurrency if I want in this video. I could go over Ethereum, IOTA, EOS, NEO. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies that I own that I could go over, but I'm just using Bitcoin for an example. And this was where we saw real growth. All through here, this was the very beginning, of course. And right over here, we started to see real growth. This was all speculative money. Right now, if you actually look, we're about where we should be. So we're going to be recovering soon, okay? We're going to be recovering soon because this is about right before we started that huge run-up. So expect Bitcoin to start kind of hover around this range within a 10% variable for this range over here. Maybe go down a little bit to about here. Maybe go up a little bit over here. But generally in that range. So Bitcoin is there. Now, after we recover, we're going to see a huge bull run. And here's why. The people who are going to be in this crypto market after this recovery are going to be very passionate people. See, the people who got out of crypto, who sold, who caused this huge run up and then drop off, were the people at home who don't really understand blockchain technology. They don't understand what nodes are. They don't understand what the blockchain even is. They just saw it on CNBC and said, oh, the price is going up. Let me get in on this. Those people are leaving crypto right now, but we're having more people come into crypto who are not like that, who do understand the technology, who do understand the value. So once Bitcoin bottoms out, and I think it's going to bottom out pretty soon, I think the lowest we're going to go from here on, and I could be wrong, the absolute lowest would be 5,000. That would be the absolute lowest, but I don't think we're going to get there. I think we're going to be hovering within this range right over here because that's where we were before we had this huge run up, okay? And so once we hit back into this range, what I think is going to happen is this. I think the institutional money is going to come in. I think the institutional money is going to come in. You're going to have a lot of big investors come in and start pouring millions of dollars into this. And I don't think it's just going to hit Bitcoin. My prediction is this. It's going to hit Bitcoin first. Bitcoin's going to start rising first. And then we're going to see it trickle down into the altcoins. The altcoin markets are then going to rise with Bitcoin. Then what's going to happen is we're going to see a lot more ICO investing. We're going to see a lot of the bad ICOs from last year start to crumble away, fall apart, leaders arrested, which we just saw in the news the other day, some crappy ICO. The founders were arrested, but whatever. We're going to start to see the bad ICOs crumble. And from that crumbling, we're going to see the good ICOs, the ones that I try and cover on my channel, the ones that I try and show you guys and, explain it to you on my email list or put on my YouTube channel. I'm on everything. I have an email list, YouTube, social media, Instagram. If you're not following me over there, make sure you do. And we're going to see the really good ICOs shine, kind of like a diamond in the rough. There's going to be a lot of crap around it, a lot of crappy ICOs, and we're going to have a few really, really good ones. I shouldn't say a few. There's going to be a lot of really, really good ones. So, I would say out of every, 100 bad ICOs, there's going to be at least 20 good ones, okay? So that's my prediction. I think we're really setting up for a huge bull run. We really are. I don't want to just... the reason I waited to make this video is because I don't want to just come out with hype. I'm not just doing this for views, just to come out and hype everyone up. But I'm really, really excited that we're coming close to a bottom with Bitcoin. And, of course, a lot of the altcoins will, you know, are somewhat tethered to Bitcoin. Or Bitcoin's tethered to the altcoins, and they do have that relationship that sometimes changes, but sometimes doesn't. But regardless... we're coming close to a bottom, people. I think we're due for one more significant drop into this range over here where we're going to start fluctuating probably for a few more weeks. I think it's going to go to summertime. It could be sooner. I hope it's sooner. And then we're going to start to see the real institutional money come in. We're going to start seeing a lot less selling pressure, more buying value. A lot of great projects. So I'm still really excited for this market, guys. I've been involved with crypto for quite a few years now. I've seen big dips before. They're not new to cryptocurrency. They really aren't. Bitcoin is still in its infancy. Cryptocurrency as a whole is still in its infancy. We're not even a $1 trillion market yet. Once we're a $1 trillion market, then we could start talking about, oh, is it overvalued or are we in a bubble? We're not even there yet. Let's get to $1 trillion and then let's start talking about, how much speculative money is in there? Is this project overvalued? Is this one undervalued? Let's just get to the $1 trillion market cap first, and then we can start talking about that. And we will get there. I am almost guaranteed. All right. I'm like 98% certain we will get there. Of course, all investments have risks. Don't invest what money you can't afford to lose. Don't invest what money you'll need in coming months. Don't invest with the rent money. Don't invest with the car insurance money. Don't invest what money you'll need. Only invest with surplus income. If your bills are $1,000 a month and you make $1,500, take the $500 and invest that. Don't invest with money you need, because that's how you get yourself in a jam when these bear markets, I should say, come, and then you start seeing prices decline, then you panic sell and you're just caught in a trap and you lost money. Take my advice, do not do that. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share this video. Get the word out there that I am positive that this bull market is coming. We're setting up for it, for those 1,000% gains this year. Now, I also have finished my ebook. If you want to grab it, link will be below on the guide to ICO investing. It is $4.99. If you don't like it, you're out $4.99. Oh well, you would have bought yourself a coffee or two with that. But I do think it's a great piece of work that I've, been working a few days on, and I put in a lot of good tips and tricks for investing in ICOs. It's on Amazon, it's on Sells.com. Let me know what you think of it. If you grab it and you don't like it, let me know. If you grab it and you do like it, let me know. I really need the feedback because I am trying to get more into the ebook space as well. All right, guys, have a great day, and thank you for watching. Peace out.